Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do something a little special here, give you a little special video where I was inspired by a television program by the name of WandaVision. WandaVision is fantastic. The final episode, just choice. And I was inspired to create a logo for the fictional city of Westview, which is inside of the hex. So the hex obviously is why I'm doing the hexagon, because hexagons are the bestagons. And I wanted that to house my concept. So the concept I was going for is taking the hexagon and then kind of manipulating it to where you get the W and get a V. So I'll reveal how I do that as this goes on. So basically I have the hexagon and then I want to draw lines that basically set me up to where I get the shapes that I wanted. So I'm kind of making this mirror what my sketch is. Now here, I didn't want the V to be outside. I didn't want anything outside of the hexagon because that's the shape. So basically that's going to house everything. So as I zoom in, I'm analyzing how I want to do this. So I realized if I cut the top off, then I can reveal that W there. So I have the two edges on the left and the right kind of acting as the edges of the W. So I drew a shape to kind of get that cut, but I didn't want to cut the entire top off. So that's why you see me doing the stroke and releasing the compound path, and then first cutting the larger piece and then cutting the smaller piece, so then I can just get those two pieces at the top out but keep that center piece there. So I played around with possibly trying to separate the V from below the W to kind of make that more obvious. But as I was doing it, I was like, this is not really working for me like I wanted to. So I ended up kind of abandoning that because I didn't want that many spaces in there. So I tried like a couple different avenues there, but in the end I decided like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. So here is basically, oh, of course I have to save it because for some reason I play with fire and I'm a thrill seeker in these Adobe programs where I'm not saving things, letting it be untitled -1 for way too long. But here I'm adding thickness to it, and then this is when I start to add the color to it. Now in the center, another reason why I decided not to separate the V is because now I can make that be the Infinity Stone. So I made that centerpiece there, the yellow infinity, the Mind Stone, that typically Vision has. And then I had this slogan that I want to use: when you're here, you're the best version of yourself, kind of referencing how Wanda is kind of manipulating the personalities of the people within the hex. And then I kind of made it, manipulated the words, and there you have it. There is my logo. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure it's Going Long in Life teaches you learn and inspire as you do. And I will see you next time.